Is it the right time to buy or sell Apple stock? Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll be taking a deep dive into Apple. We previously published a report on our website on Monday, January 22, 2024, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on all our latest analysis. It's important to be informed about any changes that could impact your investments. Looking to make smarter trading decisions? Try out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. With this tool, you can tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. However, please keep in mind that the information shared in this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Starting from January 19, 2024, our system has identified Apple as a promising investment, giving it a score of 2.53. Now, let's take a closer look at how the stock has performed during this period. Overall, the stock has experienced a gain of 1.22%. This means that on average, the stock has delivered a daily return of 0.61% since being identified as a buy candidate. The stock is currently in the middle of a wide and weak rising trend in the short term, indicating a potential further increase within this trend. Based on the past 3 months, there is a projected 7.94% change in the next 3 months. This suggests a potential return ranging from 0.84% to 13.57%. Looking ahead to the next 12 months, the trend indicates a 24.1% change, with a potential return between 12.64% and 29.21%. In other words, the stock price could range from $218.41 to $250.53 in a year. Our latest update for Apple reveals that the stock price increased by 1.22% on Monday. The Apple stock price experienced a gain of 1.22% during the last trading day, which was Monday, January 22, 2024. It rose from $191.56 to $193.89. This marks the third consecutive day of gains. It will be interesting to observe whether this upward trend continues or if there will be a minor pause in the coming days. Throughout the last trading day, the stock price fluctuated by 1.6%, ranging from a low of $192.26 to a high of $195.33. Over the past 2 weeks, the price has increased by 7.02% and has risen in 6 out of the last 10 days. On the last day, the trading volume decreased by 10 million shares, with a total of 56 million shares being bought and sold, valued at approximately $10.82 billion. It is important to note that when volume decreases while prices are rising, it may indicate a potential divergence and could serve as an early warning for possible changes in the next few days. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $199.62, while the lowest was $137.90. Currently, the stock price is 2.87% or $5.73 lower than the 52-week high, and 15.06% or $34.37 lower than the all-time high on August 30, 2018, when the price reached $228.26. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, January 18, 2024, Bank of America Securities upgraded Apple with a buy grade. On Thursday, January 18, 2024, Bank of America Securities upgraded Apple with a negative grade. On Tuesday, January 9, 2024, Bank of America Securities gave Apple a neutral grade. On Monday, December 18, 2023, Wedbush gave Apple an outperform grade. On Thursday, December 14, 2023, Citigroup gave Apple a buy grade. Analysts have given Apple stock a general rating of strong buy. They have rated the PE ratio as strong buy and the price-to-book ratio as strong buy. In terms of return on investment, the analysts give the stock a strong buy rating. In this video, we will discuss the signals that have been identified for Apple. The Apple stock shows buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, which gives a positive forecast for the stock. However, there is a general sell signal due to the relation between these two signals, where the long-term average is above the short-term average. If the stock experiences corrections downward, there will be support from the lines at $187.41 and $190.80. It's important to note that a breakdown below these levels will issue sell signals. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. Despite gaining prices, the volume fell during the last trading day, creating a divergence between volume and price. This could be an early warning sign, so it's crucial to closely monitor the stock. Some negative signals have also been issued, and these may have an influence on the near short-term development. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Thursday, December 14, 2023, and so far the stock has fallen by 2.13%. It is indicated that there may be further fall until a new bottom pivot has been found. Today, we'll be looking at some interesting signals that you should keep an eye on. The Moving Average Convergence Divergence has recently shown a buy signal. Pivots indicated a sell signal 25 days ago. Bollinger Bands signaled a buy 11 days ago. The short-term moving average gave a buy signal 4 days ago. The long-term moving average also had a buy signal 3 days ago. When we analyze the relationship between the short and long moving averages, we see a buy signal from 14 days ago. If we zoom out and look at the 12-month chart, we find the following. The short-term moving average indicated a buy signal 3 days ago. The long-term moving average, however, showed a sell signal 5 days ago. When we consider the relation between the short and long moving averages, we see a buy signal from 40 days ago. Make sure to visit our website at StockInvest.us for more valuable signals. Let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for Apple. Apple has found support from accumulated volume at $188.63. This level presents a potential buying opportunity as we can expect an upward reaction when the support is tested. Apple's stock is known for its good trading volume and tends to experience minor daily changes, which means the risk is considered to be low. In the last day, the stock moved $3.07, 1.6%, between its high and low points. Over the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 1.66%. Before we delve into the potential trading levels for Apple, let's first cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the P/E ratio. This important ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. Apple's P/E ratio is within a normal range, which is often observed in well-established businesses with predictable revenues. Moving on to other news, the next earnings report for Apple's fourth quarter of 2023 is expected to be released on February 1, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for the earnings per share during that quarter are at $2.08. It's important to keep an eye on these numbers, as they can significantly impact stock prices. Today, we'll be discussing some potential day trading levels for Apple. If Apple is experiencing an upward trend, the first resistance level to keep an eye on is at $197.57. If you don't currently own any shares, it might be wise to wait until this level is breached before entering a position. However, for those who already hold the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. On the other hand, if Apple encounters a downward trend, its first support level is at $188.63. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, with the anticipation of a rebound. The average rating for Apple, as determined by multiple analyst sources, is categorized as strong buy. Now, let's delve into some recent insider trades. On November 29, 2023, Condo Chris conducted an insider sell of 5,513 shares of common stock. On November 16, 2023, Adams Catherine L. conducted an insider sell of 123,448 shares of common stock. On November 16, 2023, Adams Catherine L. conducted an insider buy of 123,448 shares of common stock. On November 17, 2023, Adams Catherine L., conducted an insider sell of 123,448 shares of common stock. On November 10, 2023, Condo Chris conducted an insider sell of 4,806 shares of common stock. Considering the 100 most recent insider trades, we have calculated the insider power ratio to be negative at -21.486. Overall, insiders have purchased 2,434,113 shares and sold 4,040,792 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss for this stock is set at $186.85, which represents a decrease of 3.63%. This particular stock tends to have low daily movements, which translates to a lower level of risk for investors. Additionally, we have identified a sell signal from a pivot top that was observed 24 days ago. Is Apple stock a good buy? Based on the current market conditions, we have identified some positive signals that suggest Apple stock may present a buying opportunity in the short term. However, it's important to note that our analysis indicates the current price is overvalued, which could impact its performance. Looking ahead to Tuesday, January 23, we anticipate Apple stock to open lower at $0.0633, with an initial trading price of $193.83. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. Always consult with a professional financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions regarding securities. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing the information provided, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we'll be discussing our current view of the stock. We value your opinion, so please comment below and share your thoughts. We're curious to know your target for this stock as well. If you find this content helpful, remember to like and subscribe to our channel. Our team wishes you successful trading and a beautiful day.